Exercise 13.1. The first question is find the value of 2 raised to the power of 6. The first question is 2 raised to the power of 6. It means here we can write 2 multiplied with 2 multiplied with 2 multiplied with 2 multiplied with 2. If the power is 6, so we repeat 2 6 times. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. And now if we multiply these numbers, then we get 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32 and 30 to the 64. You can also write it 2 to the 4 to the 8, so it can be written as 8 multiplied with 8, and finally you can write it 64. 8 8 ja 64. Now come to the question number second. It is 9 raised to the power of 3. So 9 raised to the power of 3, it means we have to write 9 multiplied with 9 multiplied with 9. If we multiply 9 with 9, then we get 81. 9 9 ja 81. Multiplied with 9, so we get 9 1 ja 9 and 9 8 ja 72. So 729 is our answer. Now come to the question number third. So our third question is 11 raised to the power of 2, and it can be written as 11 multiplied with 11. On multiplying 11 with 11, you get 121. So this is our answer. Question 4. 5 raised to the power of 4. 5 raised to the power of 4. So you can write 5 multiplied with 5 multiplied with 5 multiplied with 5. And if we multiply 5 with 5, we get 25 multiplied with another 25. And on multiplying 25 with 25, you get 625. So this is our answer. Now come to the question number 2. Express the following. Express the following in exponential form. The first question is 6 into 6 into 6 into 6. Here 6 is repeated 4 times. 6 multiplied with 6 multiplied with 6 multiplied with 6. So our answer is 6 raised to the power of 4. It is very easy. Now question second. T multiplied with t. So we get t raised to the power of 2. Here t is called base and 2 is called power. Here 6 is called base and 4 is called power. Now the third question is B multiplied with B multiplied with B and multiplied with B. Here the base is B and B is multiplied 4 times. B is multiplied with B multiplied with B. So B raised to the power of 4. The fourth question is 5 into 5 and 7 into 7 into 7. So here we have 5 into 5 and 7 into 7 into 7. So the base is 5 and the base is 7. The power of 5 will be 2 and the power of 7 will be 3. And it can be read as 5 raised to the power of 2 multiplied with 7 raised to the power of 3. Now question 5th. Here we have 2 into 2 into A into A. So you can write it 2 power 2 multiplied with A power 2. 2 raised to the power of 2. A multiplied with A, so here we write A raised to the power of 2. Then the next question is it is A into A into A and C into C into C into C into D. Here A raised to the power of 3 multiplied with C raised to the power of 4 and D raised to the power of 1. But there is no need to write 1, so it is written as only D. A raised to the power of 3, C raised to the power of 4 and multiplied with D. So this is our question number 2. Now come to the question 3. Express each one of the following numbers each one of the following numbers using exponential notation. Using exponential notations. Notation. It is not notations. The first one is 512. 512. So first of all, we have to find the prime factors of 512. Here at unit place we have 2, so it is divisible by 2. 2 to the 4, 2 5 is 10 and 2 6 is 12. And here we get 128 and on further dividing by 2 we get 64 and we get 32 and we get 16 and here we get 8 and it is 4 and 2 2 are 4 and finally we get 2 1 are 2. The prime factors of 512 will be 2 into 2 into 2 and 2 into 2 into 2 and 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 times. So here we write 2 into 2 into 2 and it can be written as 2 raised to the power of 9. So this is our answer. Next question is three hundred 43. 343 and it is divisible by 7. 7 4 ja 28 and 7 9 ja 63. 7 7 ja and 7 1 ja 6. So 343 can be written as 7 multiplied with 7 multiplied with 7. So we get 7 power 7 raised to the power of 3. So this is our answer. Now question 3rd. The third question is 729. 729 7 plus 2 9 and plus 9 we get 18. 18 is divisible by 3. So this number is divisible by 3. So here we write 3. 3 2 ja 6, 3 4 ja 12, 3 3 ja 9. 3 8 ja 24, 3 1 ja 3. 3 2 ja 6 and 3 7 ja 21. 3 9 ja 27 and 3 3 ja 9 and finally we get 3 1 ja 3. So 729 can be written as 3 multiplied with 3 multiplied with 3 multiplied with 3 3 and 3. So it can be written as 3 raised to the power of 6. The fourth question is 3125. 3125. 3125. It has 5 at unit place, so divisible by 5. 5 6 ja 30, 5 2 ja 10, 5 5 ja 25. 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 5 5 ja 25. Further on dividing by 5 we get 5 2 ja 10, 5 5 ja 25, 5 5 ja 25 and 5 1 ja 5. So 3125 is written as 5 multiplied with 5 multiplied with 5 multiplied with 5 and 10 multiplied with 5. So it can be written as 5 raised to the power of 5. Now question number 4. Identify the greater number. Question 4. Identify the greater number. First is 4 power 3 or 3 power 4. 4 power 3 or 3 power 4. So 4 power 3 can be written as 4 into 4 into 4. On multiplying it, we get 64. And 3 power 4 is written as 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. On multiplying it, we get 3 3 is 9, 9 9 is 81, so here we get 81. The value of 4 power 3 is 64 and the value of 3 power 4 is 81. 81 is greater than 64. Here 81 is greater than 64. So 3 power 4 is greater than 4 power 3. This is our answer. Now the second question is 5 power 3 or 3 power 5. So first of all we have to find the value of 5 raised to the power of 3. It means it can be written as 5 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 5. So we get 125. And 3 power 5 is written as 3 multiplied with 3 multiplied with 3 multiplied with 3 multiplied with 3. On multiplying it, we get 3 3 is 9, 9 9 is 21, 9 9 is 81, 81 multiplied with 3. So we get 3 1 is 3 and 3 8 is 24. It means 243. Here 243 is greater than 125. 243 is greater than 125. So 3 raised to the power of 5 is greater than 5 raised to the power of 3. This is our answer. Now come to question number 3rd. 2 power 8 or 8 power 2. Third, 2 power 8 or 8 power 2. 2 power 8. It means we have 2 multiplied with 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 2. So it will be 8 times multiplication of 2 and 2. It can be written as 2 2 ja 4 2 ja 8 2 ja 16 and 16 multiplied with 16, so we get 256. And 8 power 2 can be written as 8 into 8, so we get 64. Here 64 is smaller than 256, or we can say that 256 is greater than 64. 256 is greater than 64, so we can say that 2 power 8 is greater than 8 power 2. Now let's see question number 4. Fourth. It is 100 power 2 or 2 power 100. 100 power 2 or 2 power 100. So 100 power 2 can be written as 100 multiplied by 100 and it is equal to 10,000. And 2 power 100, it can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 and so on. It is 100 times. Obviously it is a very big number, So 2 power 100 is greater than 100 power 2. Therefore, 2 power 100 is greater than 100 power 2. Now come to question number 5. It is 2 power 10 or 10 power 2. Power 10 or 10 power 2. So 2 power 10 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 and 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 10 times. 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8, 2 ja 16, 2 ja 32 multiplied with 32. On multiplying 32 with 32 you get 64 and 96, so it is 124. 124. And 10 power 2, it means you get 10 multiplied with 10, so you get 100. 100 and 1024. 1024 is greater. Here 1024 is greater than 100. So 2 power 10 is greater than 10 power 2. So this is our answer. Now come to the question number 5. Question 5. Express each of the following as product of powers of their prime factors. Express each of the following as product of powers of their prime factor. Their prime factors. The first question is 648. So first of all we have to find the prime factors of 648. It is divisible by 2. 2 3 is 6, 2 2 is 4, 2 4 is 8. And dividing it further by 2 we get 16 and 2 to 162. 2 8 is 16 and 2 1 is 2, and it can be divisible by 3. So here we get 27 and 3 9 is 27 and 3 3 is 9, and finally we get 300. So 648 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 and 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So it can also written as 2 raised to the power of 3, because here we have 2 multiplied with 2 multiplied with 2. So 2 raised to the power of 3 and 3 raised to the power of 4, because it comes 4 times. So 3 raised to the power of 4. So this is our answer. Now question second, it is 405. 405. So first of all we have to find the prime factors of 405. It is divisible by 5. 5 8 are 40 and 5 1 are 5. 81 you get similar 81. So it is divisible by 3 and 27 here. 3 9s are 27 and 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So it can be written as 5 multiplied with 3 multiplied with 3 multiplied with 3 multiplied with 3. So you can write 5 raised to the power 1 and 3 raised to the power of 4. 5 raised to power 1, there is no need to write the power 1. So it can be written as only 5 and multiplied with 3 raised to power 4. So this is our answer. Now come to question third. In third question we have 540. 540. So it is divisible by 2 and here we get 2 2 are 4 and 1 14. So we get 2 7 are 14 and 0 and further on dividing by 2 we get it 135 and on dividing with 3 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15 and 3 15 and 3 divided by 15 divided by 3 we get 3 5s are 15 and 5 1s are 5. So 540 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3 and multiplied with 5, and it can be written in exponential form. We get 2 power 2 multiplied with 3 raised to the power of 3 and 5 raised to the power of 1. There is no need to write power 1. So this is our answer: 2 power 2, 3 power 3 and 5. The fourth question is 3600. So take prime factors of 3600. 3600. It is divisible by 2, so we get 1800 and then we get 900 and then we get 450 and then we get 225. This is divided by 3, so 3 7s are 21 and 3 5s are 15 and 3 2s are 6 and 3 5s are 15 and 5 5s are 21 and 5 1s are 5. So 3600 will be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 and 3 into 3 and 5 into 5. 2 multiplied with 2 multiplied with 2 multiplied with 2, so it can be written as 2 raised to the power of 4 multiplied with 3. 3 raised to the power of 2 and 5 raised to the power of 2. So this is our answer. The question number is 4. Question 6, simplify. The first is 2 into 10 to the power 3. 2 into 10 to the power 3. So it can be written as 2 into 10 into 10 into 10. 10 into 10 into 10, we get it is equal to 1000. And if we multiply 1000 with 2, then we get 2 1s are 2 and 3 0. So it is 2000. The second question is 7 power 2 and 2 power 2. 7 power 2 and 2 power 2. 7 raised to the power of 2, so here we can write 7 into 7, and 2 raised to the power of 2, so we can write 2 into 2. So this is 49 multiplied with 4, 4 9 is 36, and 4 4 is 16, and 3 196. So this is our answer. And now question number 3rd. We have 2 power 3 multiplied with 5. So it can be written as 2 multiplied with 2 multiplied with 2 and multiplied with 5. 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8 multiplied with 5, and finally we get 40 as our answer. Now 4th. 3 into 4 power 4. So it can be written as 3 into 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. 4 multiplied with 4 we get 16, and 16 multiplied with 4 we get 64, and 64 multiplied with 4 we get 256. So this is 256. On multiplying 256 with 3 we get 3 6 18, 3 5 15, and 1 16, 3 2 6, and 1 6. So here we get 768. Now come to question number 5 or 5th. It is 0 multiplied with 10 to the power 2. So 0 is multiplied with 10 multiplied with 10, or we can say that 0 is multiplied with 100. When 0 is multiplied to any number, we get our answer 0. So this is 0. Now question 6, 5 power 2 and 3 power 3. It can be written as 5 into 5 and 3 into 3 into 3. So we can write 25 multiplied with 27. On multiplying 25 and 27, we get 5 7 ja 35, and 5 2 ja 10, and 3 30. And here we have 2 7 ja 14 and 54. So 5 and 7 and 6. So we get 675. Now come to question number 7th, and it is 2 power 4 and 3 power 2. 2 raised to the power 4 and 3 raised to the power 2. So 2 is multiplied with 2 and multiplied with 2 and multiplied with 2, and 3 is multiplied with 3. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, it can be written as 2 2 ja 4, 2 जा 8, 2 जा 16, and 16 multiplied with 9. So here we get 144. Now question number 8. It is 3 power 2 and 10 power 4. So 3 power 2 can be written as 3 into 3, and 10 power 4 it can be written as 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. 3 3 जा 9 multiplied with 1, 0 0 0 0, and 9 1 जा 9 and 4 0. So this is our answer, 90,000. Now let's see question number 6. Question number 6. Minus 4 power 3. Simplify. The first is minus 4 power 3. So it can be written as minus 4 multiplied with minus 4 multiplied with minus 4. Minus 4 is a negative integer. So if we multiply minus 4 with minus 4, then we get plus 16. And plus 16 multiplied with minus 4, then we get minus 64. We can also see it. Minus 4 multiplied with minus 4, so we get plus 16. And multiplied with minus 4, so plus and minus multiplied with, then we get minus and 64. Question number 2. Minus 3 and multiplied with minus 2 raised to power 3. Raised to the power minus 3 and minus 2 raised to the power of 3. So it can be written as minus 3 multiplied with minus 2 multiplied with minus 2 multiplied with minus 2. So minus 3 and minus 2 multiplied, then we get plus 6. And minus 2 and minus 2 multiplied, then we get plus 4. And plus 6 and plus 4 multiplied, then we get plus 24. So 24 is our answer. Now let's see question number 3. Minus 3 raised to the power of 2 and minus 5 raised to the power of 2. So we get minus 3 multiplied with minus 3 and minus 5 multiplied with minus 5. Minus 3 multiplied with minus 5, minus 3 we get plus 9. And multiplied with minus 5 and minus 5, so we get plus 25. And when we multiply 25 and 9, we get 225. This is our answer. The next question is minus 2 power 3. Minus 2 power 3 and 10 raised to the power of minus 10. It is minus 10 raised to the power of 3. So this is 4. Minus 2 multiplied with minus 2 multiplied with minus 2. And minus 10 multiplied with minus 10 and multiplied with minus 10. So we get minus 8 multiplied with minus 1000. Minus 2 multiplied with minus 2, then we get plus 4, and plus 4 multiplied with minus 2, we get minus 8. Similarly, here we get plus 100 multiplied with minus 10, so we get minus 1000. When minus 8 and minus 1000 is multiplied, then we get 8000. Now come to question number 8. .7 and 10. Compare the following numbers. Compare the following numbers. 2.7 into 10 to the power 12 and 1.5 10 to the power 8. Here 2.7 and 10 to the power 12 can be written as 2.7 into 10 into 10 into 10 12 times. If we multiply 2.7 with 10, then we get 27 into 10 into 10 into 10, 11 times. Or it can be also written as 27 and 11 times 0. Now take the second number. It is 1.5 into 10 to the power 8. So it can be written as 1.5 into 10 into 10 into 10 and dot dot 8 times. If we multiply 1.5 and 10, then we get 15, and 10 into 10 into 10, it is 7 times now. And this can be written as 15 and 7 0. So this is a big number. Hence we can write 2.7 and 10 to the power 12 is greater than 1.5 and 10 to the power 8. So this is the first part of this question. Now take second part. Four into 10 to the power 14 and 3 into 10 to the power 70. Here we have 4 into 10 to the power 14, so it can be written as 4 into 10 into 10 into 10 and so on 14 times. So it can be written as 4 into 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 and 0 0 14 zeros. And 3 into 17, 3 into 10 to the power 17, it can be written as 3 into 10 into 10 into 10 into so on 17 times. And it is written as 3 and 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 17 times 0, so last is finally a 0. And it is very clear that 3 and 17 0 is greater than 4 and 14 0. So 3 into 10 to the power 7 is greater than 4 into 10 to the power 40. So this is the last question of our exercise.